Hey kids, let's start our today's topic, and that is derivation of kinetic energy, which is equals to half mv square. Okay, so let's start. Suppose there is an object of mass m and initial velocity u, and if we apply a force to it, okay, mass remains the same, but let the velocity, final velocity be v. Okay, so what we have to derive is kinetic energy equals to half m v square. Okay, so how to do this? So let's start with it. Okay, so let's start with the basic formula for force. F equals to m into a, force equal to mass into acceleration. Okay, and just stay put. Okay, then second, displacement's formula is s equals to ut plus half at square. This is one of the Newton's kinematical equation, second kinematical equation, right? Okay, you know what is u? U is 0. Okay, if the object was at rest earlier, so u will be 0 meter per second. Velocity might be something, final velocity might be something, initial velocity is 0. Okay, so substitute 0 there. What you will get is s equals to 0 plus half at square. Okay, so s equals to half at square, right? Let this be 2. Okay, then we have to find out v. Okay, also we'll find out v equals to u plus at. This is Newton's first kinematical equation. So v equals to, in the place of u it will be 0. Okay, so this is 0 plus at. So v equals to what? 80, right? Okay, v equals to 80. If v equals to 80, then what will v square? V square will be a square t square, right? Okay, let this be 3, equation number 3. So first we'll take f equals to ma, second we'll take displacement s, okay, and third we'll take v, right? So what is work done? Work done in moving that particular object from point A to point B will be force applied on that object into displacement, right? So work done equals to F. In place of F there will be ma, in place of s there will be half at square. Okay, so what do we get there? W equals to half m a square t square, right? Half m a into a square and then t square. Okay, the work done is nothing but kinetic energy, half m. What is a square t square? What is a square t square? It's v square, right? Okay, so kinetic energy is half mv square. Simple, right? Okay, so what I suggest is to remember this thing. Okay, first remember this father equals to ma. Okay, first remember your ma. Okay, then remember devi ma. D is displacement, v is velocity. First your ma, then dv, devi ma. Okay, and after getting the blessings, you start with work. W equals to Fs. Okay, so first your ma, then dv, and then work, and then you get the sequence of it. F equals to ma, then s equals to half at square, and v equals to at. So w is equal to f into s. W equals to fashion street Fs. Okay, in place of f we put ma from 1, and in place of s we put half a square from 2, and then we get the things. Okay, so quite easy, right? So do your best. We'll see in